Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be filming in my Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner for the week of August 27th to September 2nd using this Riverdale kit from my shop. So I just had the ultimate kit there with the extra add-on full boxes. I'm showing you the tools I'm going to be using, including a bunch of Simply Gilded washi. I don't think I ended up using all of it, but I just had it out just for the week to see like which ones I would use. So right now I'm just cutting that bottom washi in half because I'm going to use some Simply Gilded washi with it to layer that. Honestly, I should have used my ruler. I don't know what I was thinking, but I thought I could do it. And I think it turned out okay, but it's not the straightest. So I'm just whiting out the bottom there to put the washi on top so it doesn't seep through. I don't know if I really needed to with this dark red, but I just out of habit, I just do it anyways. So I decided to use this kit this week because it is technically September 1st this week, and to me that just starts the whole fall season, but I didn't really want to use a fall kit yet because it's still super nice outside here. So I decided to use this Riverdale kit to kind of kick off that shows are going to be starting soon and that fall is coming here. Also, next week is our back to school week, so I thought this was good because we did a lot of prepping for my kids' back to school shopping, and this just kind of signifies school to me, like with the whole Riverdale school thing. So now that we have the bottom washi laid down, I'm going to go in and stagger in my full boxes. I used some full boxes from the main kit as well as some of the fashion add-on boxes that you can purchase as well. I kind of did like a staggering thing where I did one character, one non-character, character, that kind of thing. And then I used the rest of the full boxes in my TN spread and I loved how that looked. I think it turned out really well. I also staggered the colored glitter headers just in a pattern on top. And yeah, so I'm going to go in and do all that now and I'll be right back. So now I have almost all my glitter headers down and my full boxes. You'll see I had a little bit of trouble with the one glitter header there. I kind of didn't do the pattern, but I got it all fixed and ready to go. And yeah, we're just finishing up the glitter headers. So I lost a little bit of footage there, so I went and put in the flags in the top corners from the kit, and I'm putting in a full box in my sidebar, the one with the photo that says Riverdale on there. I'm just going to put some washi down underneath the full box and just use my slice tool to trim the edges. Then I'm going to use a half box from the kit to mark a highlight for the week, and the highlight this week was that my husband went to Milwaukee on like a little guys trip for the Harley-Davidson 115th anniversary party. And so I wanted to mark that because he was gone all week, and so it was just me and the kids. And yeah, it was something super cool that he got to do. I put a little bit more washi after that. I love this washi. I think it was so fun with the red, yellow, and blue. It just had all the colors that matched the kit super well. Then I put a dinner header down from the kit with a weekly sidebar box, this week header, and a 3-heart checklist to mark my dinners and to mark 3 things that I wanted to get done that week. Now I'm going to go in and put in my date covers from the kit using these date squares from my shop. I like these date squares a lot. I just like the pattern behind there. I think it's really cute. It just adds a lot of extra to the kit. And so now I'm just going to go put those onto the spread. Yeah, so me and my kids had a really fun week this week. We just did a whole bunch of things for before school and just wanted to have a lot of fun as our last week of summer vacation. Okay, so starting on to the weekly plans. Oh, just filling in that sidebar there. I put a little car icon, even though my husband didn't take a car, he took his motorcycle, but I just didn't have any motorcycle stickers, so I used the car to mark the highlight for the week that my husband got to go to Milwaukee, and just kind of filling in the this week section of my sidebar. So starting on Monday, sorry this part is a little bit cut off. It gets fixed pretty soon. I used a flag from the kit as well as a plane icon to mark that my husband left that day. Again, he didn't go on a plane, but I don't have motorcycle stickers, so I was trying to find things that I could use. Then I took a laptop sticker from my shop and a work script sticker to mark that I did a lot of printing and cutting that day. Then I used a piece of washi from the kit as well as a planning session sticker from a sampler from Allycat shop, and I cut this part out because I lost the footage, but I also put in a filming tracker from my shop to mark that I did film my last week's spread. I put in a half box from the kit as well as a game night sticker to mark that me and my kids played board games in the evening. I used a little Otter with a book from Otter Prints Co sampler to mark that me and my kids colored for the rest of the evening. On Tuesday, I used a quarter box from the kit and a little money icon to mark that I had to pay my property taxes. I used a car icon from my shop to mark that we had to go and drop off my printer. I had some issues and I got a new warranty printer, so we had to drop the old one off. I used a flag and a shopping cart icon from the kit to mark that I had to go to Staples that day. Then I put a heart icon to mark that my mom came over and made us dinner. She brought us dinner and it was just super nice to not have to cook for another day. Then I put in a movie marquee from the kit to mark that me and my kids went to a movie in the park. We got to see The Lion King, and it was just super cool. They had like bouncy castles there, so I marked that. And they had face painting, and then they had the movie and on this like big inflatable screen. It was just super fun. For Wednesday, I put another laptop sticker and a work script sticker from my shop to mark that I did more printing and cutting that day. I used a quarter box from the kit and a go for a bike ride sticker from my shop to mark that me and the kids went for a bike ride in the morning. I used a glitter flag and a cleaning spray bottle from the kit to mark that me and my kids did a power hour for cleaning that day. A house icon to mark that I cleaned up the backyard. Then I put in a quarter box and a computer icon from the kit to mark that I did a bunch of designing that day. And the last thing I did is I put a piece of washi down with a go for a walk sticker to mark that me and my friends went for a walk in the evening. Moving on to Thursday, I put a car icon first to mark that me and my kids drove to the city to have a fun shopping day. I put a to-go header underneath that, and I cut a checklist down to 3 to show 3 places that we had to go that day. I wanted to go to Michael's to buy some supplies. We went to Payless to buy the kids some new indoor shoes for school, and then we went to the mall. We did Build-A-Bear, and we went to the food court. It was a very, very, very fun day, and my kids had never been to Build-A-Bear before, and neither have I, so that was a really fun experience. I'd never seen what they do there before, so it was very fun to go. Now I'm putting in a little present icon to mark that we went to Build-A-Bear, a flag to mark that my sister came over for the afternoon. I really didn't know how to mark this. I don't have a lot of character stickers, so I thought the flag was just fine. The last thing I did was put a quarter box from the kit, and I took the meal plan icon from the kit and cut it just the utensils off. I've been doing this a lot lately, just to mark that me and my sister made some spaghetti sauce. It's been super handy having a garden because I get to do all this fun canning and stuff like that, which I don't get to do too often, so I really enjoy it. For Friday, I put a piece of washi from the kit layered with a cleaning vacuum icon from my shop, and I cut a heart checklist down to 4 to mark things that I cleaned that day. I did a whole bunch of cleaning. I just kind of went crazy, and I also added the laundry basket from the kit as well. To fill in that little extra space, I just put some washi from the kit. I added another film tracker from my shop to mark that I filmed a rewind spread. I did a ton of filming this week. I just thought, with my husband gone, I could get caught up on so much work, so that's what I did. I used a piece of washi from the kit and a Weed the Garden sticker from my shop to mark that we had to weed the garden that day. Then I took a car icon from my shop to mark that I went and visited my parents that day, and then I took video game controller to mark that I played The Sims in the evening. And I was so mad because I saw after I filmed this that I totally smeared that pen mark for playing The Sims, but I do go in after I have filmed all of this and I just whited it out and corrected it. So for Saturday, I wanted to put down that I mowed the lawn, and yes, this is embarrassing, but I actually mowed the lawn for the first time, so that was really cool. So I didn't know how to put that, so I took some of the bottom washi there and I cut it down and just layered that with a mow the lawn sticker from my shop. Then I took a pink glitter flag and I took a plan sticker to mark that I plan my next week spread out, and that plan sticker is just from the kit. Then I took another filming tracker sticker to mark that I did do another rewind spread filming. I did so much filming, you guys, and lots of editing this week, so it's good that you'll have lots of videos. Now I'm taking a half box from the kit and putting in a go for a walk sticker from my shop to mark that me and my friends went for a walk in the evening. I also took this little ice cream girl sticker, she's so cute, from a sampler from Sticker Fever, and I just layered some washi at the bottom to fill in that space to mark that we went and got ice cream while we were on our walk. For Sunday, I did a huge print and cut, so I took the laptop sticker and the work script sticker from my shop to mark that. And then when the kids were napping, I did a bunch more filming. You guys, I had so much planning to catch up on. Like, my planner looked so empty. So it's really fun to see all those spreads coming together. Then I took a quarter box from the kit and a Water the Garden sticker from my shop. I water the garden every single day, but I didn't know how to mark the fact that we went and cleaned it up and harvested it all. Then I took a coffee icon from the kit to mark that I went to my parents' house in the evening for a visit. I took another one of the otters from Otter Prints Co. with a little pizza in his hand to mark that we ordered in pizza and had a pizza night. I'm also doing another work script sticker and laptop to mark that I did do some designing and work in the evening. And I just put a piece of washi at the bottom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this spread. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions you have down below. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!